Start recording. There we go. So now I'm going to share my screen. This might work really well. I'm excited. Learn something new every day. Share screen. Start broadcast. And now go to my app. Go home. So this is the home screen. Do you see it now?
Yeah.
Yay. So let's say you have a picture that you just took that you want to post on Facebook or someplace. You can click on caption my image and you can describe your image. So super cute frog. I'm just making something up, right?
Okay.
You took this really cute frog photo and you're like, okay, it's a dog photo now. And then what do you want to post this about? Dogs are my favorite pet and remind me of, I can't use my speaker, but you can normally speak this into your phone,
Yeah,
right?
I can see the speaker on the right. Yeah.
And make me see the good in people. But it doesn't have to even be that extensive. You could just type, actually, we'll just do this. What day is it? Today is Tuesday, so thankful Tuesday. Say just do something like that and hit done. And then you can go into edit post settings if you want to. If you do, you can change like your objective. I want to entertain. My business profile, if I want to choose one of my businesses. My tone, I want it to be humorous and English language. Hit save, hit generate. Takes a couple of seconds. So here we go. It's Thankful Tuesday. Today I'm feeling grateful for the joy and love that dogs bring to our lives. They really are the best companions, aren't they? Share a picture of your adorable pooch in the comments below and let's spread some doggy cuteness together. So it's an engagement post.
Yeah.
It doesn't grow your business, but it does because it attracts people to you that share something in common with you. So then I hit post at the bottom. And it pops this up. So it says what to do next. Your text is now copied to your clipboard, so it took care of that for you. All you need to do is go to your social platform and create a new post and paste the text onto your post. So I hit post. It's pulling up Facebook for me. I tap on the top, what's on your mind, and I paste it. There it is. Now, a good practice is to maybe put some more white space in there. That just helps people continue reading.
Yeah.
But then then you tap on in the you see the little green picture photo up there. I tap that and I find my picture of the dog, which I don't have one because I don't have dogs, but we'll do coffee.
Yeah.
And hit done, and there's the photo. And then it's just a matter of post. Hit post. I don't have post on here because this is a business account we're looking at. But I can even change, like groups and where I'm posting this, before I hit this. But you can choose to post wherever you want to post. So that's how powerful this new app is. Being able to create things like this anytime for any reason. So I'm going to actually X out of here, discard. Let's go back to Nowsite. And also it changes it according to so this was the Facebook suggestion. Here's the Instagram suggestion. Here's the LinkedIn suggestion. Greetings, everyone. On this Thankful Tuesday, I want to express my gratitude for the unwavering loyalty and unconditional love that furry friends provide. So it's a little bit more towards a business community, professional, right? And then Twitter, which we ignore. So it actually will change the post accordingly. And of course, you can like I said, anytime you want, you can do different types of posts. We can, instead of entertaining, we could be educational and save that, regenerate, and you'll create different posts this way. Now we can do this all on the desktop too, but you literally have the power in your hand to do this throughout the day. Like if you're waiting in line at the post office, you could post because it's so fast. So now we have this recording. Yay! Now I know I can do a recording like this, which is also cool. Very fun.
Love it.
All right. So, and then you have other options. This is, and soon they're going to have what they call the surprise me button. But let's just do caption and suggest an image. And we're still going with Thankful Tuesday. We'll go to generate, and now it'll give you an image. So it's a little bit different process, but also cool. So it's creating a new post. The surprise me button, you don't know what it's going to create or what it's going to talk about. It's kind of just fun. But it's not that different than just hitting generate. It's just that you don't have to put any suggestion in. Hey, everybody, it's Thankful Tuesday. Today, I want to express my gratitude for all the amazing team leaders out there who work hard to onboard new employees and help them succeed faster. It's not an easy task, but it's so important for the growth of our organizations. If you're a busy team leader looking for support, check out my Launch Essentials and Leadership Suite products. They're designed to help you excel without becoming an expert in the Nowsite platform. So a little bit more promote-y, but also educational, because I picked educate, right? And then it came up with this photo. So now this time it gives me different directions. The text is copied and the image has been downloaded to my pictures on my phone. So same idea, but that photo, which is not on my phone before, now I just hit paste. There's the words, hit photo, there's that photo.
And the photo came from
AI. AI picked it, yeah. AI picked it. So it's a photo you can use.
So this is when you're asking for, let me see, capture suggestions, capture plus suggestions images. Great. So then.
Yep.
Love it.
Yep.
Okay, I will start playing with it.
All right. Yeah, do it. Yay.
Can you please email me or text me the recording?
Yeah, so yeah, I'll download it right away and get it to you.
Thank you.
Yeah, my pleasure. All right.
Good stuff.
We'll talk soon.
We'll talk soon. Take care.
All right, bye.
Much love to you until we meet again.
Sounds great. Until we meet again.
Take care.
All right, bye.
Bye.